for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, rear view camera, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.